This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside WhatsApp. Open the Status tab and head straight to Settings. This is where you control who sees updates. Once in Privacy, choose Status Privacy. This is the first actionable step because it determines visibility. You'll see 3 options: My Contacts, Accept, and Only Share With. Make your initial selection now because it narrows the field and prevents accidental shares. After that, prepare to refine by excluding or selecting specific content. Once you've opened Status Privacy, decide how exclusive you want the update to be. Choose My Contacts to show broadly, My Contacts Accept to hide specific people, or Only Share With to limit to a short list. You'll need to tap Contacts to include or exclude. Use the search box to find names faster. Make sure to scroll through long lists so you don't miss someone. After selecting, press Done or Save to lock in those choices. This enforces the privacy for future statuses. Now post your status and immediately verify visibility. Use a test contact or ask a friend to confirm they see or don't see it. If visibility is incorrect, go back to Status Privacy and correct exclusions or the Only Share With list. Make sure to press Save. If changes don't apply, force close WhatsApp, reopen it, and check again. If still stuck, update the app. One troubleshooting tip: ensure the contact isn't muted or blocked, because that affects visibility too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.